Blimey, you lot here again? It's absolutely ages since I made a chat video, and I wanted to make a video about this word blimey, or gore blimey, bloody hell. Do what? Okay, I wanted to make a video about this word blimey. The Americans seem to love this word blimey, gore blimey. I don't think we very often say gore blimey anymore, maybe from time to time. But blimey, it's an interjection. It's an interjection of surprise. What? Blimey. So, it's a very informal word. I'd probably give this 2 out of 10 informality. Yeah? You can only use this in spoken English, yeah? In an informal setting. And if you're surprised by something, you just say blimey. Blimey, that was expensive. Blimey, it's hot. Blimey, is it time to go already? Blimey, I haven't got any money left. Blimey, look at the time, I've got to go. Okay, blimey, wow, bloody hell. It's an expression of surprise. You might also use it if you were angry or excited, but mostly it's, oh, really? What? Wow. Yeah, blimey. Just blimey. Use it in spoken English. Yeah, use it to say you're surprised about something. So it's just an exclamation of surprise. Let's see, the origin of this is quite good as well. It actually comes from the minced oath, or the mince, God blind me. So God blind me if this isn't true. A minced oath is where you reduce it. O-F. Without saying the swear word, yeah? Okay, so it's to mince a swear word or to mince an oath, to make it reduce it. So blimey comes from may God blind me, yeah? It's an ellipsis of God blind me. And that's why it's gore blimey, God blind me. But most commonly nowadays, just blimey. Yeah, blimey, is that the time? Blimey, I passed the exam. Okay, so it's a great interjection to use, yeah? You'll find people certainly do use this quite a lot. Notice the Australians and the New Zealanders also use this, yeah? Wow, blimey, yeah? Wow is a really good synonym of it. You might even say, Blimey O'Reilly. Blimey O'Reilly, that was expensive. Blimey, I didn't expect to see you here. Okay, and yeah, very, very informal. Maybe a bit more formally, wow, how strange, yeah, or something like that. So, yeah, blimey, a great British phrase to use, yeah, but only in informal conversation. Reduction of gore blimey. So blimey, I've got nothing else to put in the video. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Blimey.